Do you want to earn even while at home or from anywhere in the world? Get ready as we will be sharing with you how you can start making money with online typing jobs. These jobs can get you paid $24 per hour, giving you a chance to earn $192 per day for your usual 8-hour work shift. One benefit of doing these jobs is that it gives you the flexibility to work when and where you want to. You can work on your own time and get more out of life. For today, we will be showing you 3 online typing jobs that are currently hiring. Okay, before we do that, please smash that like button right now because we will be sharing a lot of valuable information all for free in this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be in the loop for our new videos. Before you get hired for these typing jobs, the first requirement would be knowing how to type. If you're a beginner or you're not very good at it, it would be best to do some practice first before you apply for any of these jobs. That way, you will have a greater chance of earning more money. If you are new to this or you are a slow typer, don't worry as we will show you how you can be good at this. The first thing you need to do is go to writeatype.com. This website is going to teach you how to start typing online. You can go over all the basics, and there is also advanced training available that's going to teach you how to use numbers and symbols. They cover basically everything you need to know to get an online typing job. After getting your typing skills down, click Typing Test. You're going to start taking the typing test on writeatype.com. You can be certified as Silver, Gold, or Platinum, depending on the results of your test. If you get Platinum, this means that you can type at 70 words per minute with a 99.5% accuracy rate. Remember that this is really important because once you start applying for these jobs, you can get some higher paying ones if you can prove that you are already certified. Again, go to writeatype.com. Get your typing skills down, test it, and get the results on how fast you can type. Oh, and by the way, before we introduce the first website, please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Plus, hit that notification bell to be notified when our new videos come out. So the first website we will be showing you is Transcribeme.com. This is one of the best places for a beginner to get an online paying job. It lets you grow and learn on the job. If you are a newbie, you can start off with easy jobs and go up to more advanced and higher paying ones when you get better skilled. They also have expert training on this website. So you don't need to worry if you are entirely new to this, as they are going to show you how to get this job done. Once you are on the website, scroll up to the top and click on Jobs. Under the Jobs page, click Get Started. You can then start the application process by filling out some of your basic information, like your name and email, so that you can create your account and start finding online typing jobs. The best thing about Transcribeme.com is that they are one of the highest paying websites for typing jobs. You are going to get paid between $15 to $22 per audio hour for everything that you type. Some of the highest paying types are earning $2,000 per month. You can actually go over to Glassdoor.com and see that Transcribeme has 82 salaries reported. Most of them paid around $15 to $16 an hour. The second website is called Lionbridgeai. This website is beginner-friendly and you can choose from a lot of jobs that do not require any prior experience or training. There are a variety of simple tasks that anybody can absolutely start doing and start earning from. To start, you need to go to the website, click on Jobs at the topmost part, and then you click Sign Up. After that, you can create your account using your name and email and just click on Continue to get started. This website has data entry jobs, online translating jobs, online rating jobs, and online maps, and data analyst jobs, among others. These jobs offer competitive pay, so rest assured that you are going to get a good rate for all the jobs that you complete. They are available worldwide, so you can work on them from anywhere in the world. They also offer a flexible work schedule, so you can work on your tasks according to your own hours. This is a perfect opportunity for anyone who wants to work from home. If you check out Indeed.com, you can see that Lionbridgeai has an overall positive rating, with over 600 salaries reported. Most people are getting paid around $12 per hour, which is a great rate, especially for newbies. Now, the last website that we will be showing you today is really awesome, that it is posting jobs even as we speak. Before we get into it, please give this video a like to let us know that you are enjoying it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. The last website that we will be talking about today is Upwork. This is basically a freelance website, which means that clients go to the site to hire freelancers to complete a project or a job that they need to be done. To sign up to this website, all you need to do is click on sign up at the very top of the web page. You can sign up with your email or with your Gmail or Apple account. Once done, click on the option Work as a Freelancer to create an account for freelancers, and it lets them know that you are signing up to look for jobs. Once you have access to your account, scroll up to the very top and click right here where it says Find Work. After that, click right here where it says Find Work for your skills. You're going to see all the transcription jobs available. As you can see, there are over 280 transcription jobs, and some of these have literally just been posted an hour ago. There are so many jobs that you can choose from on this website that you can start applying to. If you want to know more about a job, click See More, and you can read exactly what you are going to do to complete the job. Click on Apply as a Freelancer if you want to apply and get the job. Okay, so those are the top 3 websites that you can use to start earning even while at home. We hope this video helps you find jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world. Try out these websites that we showed you and let us know in the comments what you think. And don't you forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next video.